Hello everyone, welcome to another Inventor quick tip. In this video I am going to show you how to add dimensions to filleted edges in drawing view. Here I have created a simple part with two holes and with few filleted corners. So I want to add dimensions between the filleted line and the hole. So there are situations where you have to face this type of scenario in day-to-day life when we do certain drawings. So let's see how we can do that. I have created a drawing file as well to make the video quick. So this is the drawing file and I want to add a dimensions between the hole center and the filleted line. But here you cannot see that filleted edge. How we can make it visible? It is not that difficult. Just right click on the view, click edit view, go to display options, click tangent edges and click OK. Now you can see the filleted edges are visible. Now you can add dimensions between the holes and the edge of the fillet. And there is another situation where you cannot see this filleted edge in this view. This happens when you have deactivate the hidden line visible mode. Let's see what I mean by that. And click escape and right click on the drawing view again, go to edit, and between these two options, if you have this option off and this option on, only the hidden line removed, then when you click OK, you can see the hidden line is gone in this view. You cannot add dimensions between the hole center and the filleted edge. In order to make it visible, what you have to do is right click on the view and click edit view, make hidden line visible and click OK. Now you can add the dimensions between the hole center and the filleted edge in this view as well. I hope this quick tip is useful. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Click on subscribe button so that you can get my next video. Thank you for watching.